How to add Apollo Group TV app to Firestick. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I am Rose and let's learn how to install Apollo Group TV app on Firestick. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch a browser on your device and after that, let's make a search. So from the search result, I got this answer that for installing Apollo Group TV on Fire Stick, just turn on your Fire Stick and head to the upper left corner of your home screen. You will see the search icon there. Click it and you will find a downloader app on your screen. To install it on your smartphone, just click the Get button. After the download is complete, click Open so that you can start using the program right away. So this is the step to download or install Apollo Group TV app on Fire Stick. I hope this guide was helpful and informative. It was. Then hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.